AI team lead. I'm working at Mohardev, which is educational platform in Uzbekistan, and I'm incredibly excited to be with you today. So for a while now, I've been fascinated by how AI and is uh, is breaking down barriers. It's amazing tool that we can learn faster. Every time when I speak at some events or to, for example, at events, I will tell the students and audience that today is learning is much faster because using this kind of assistance and AI, we can learn faster than before. So I want to share the agenda today. So to give you a clear roadmap for our discussion, so let's take a quick look at what we'll covering. First, building on what we've already discussed about AI's potential, we'll see how Google AI Studio is making complex creation more achievable. Then we will explore why it's specific studio. So we can turn our ideas into reality faster than even before. So let's take a look to Google AI Studio. So then we can uh, explore the features of this kind of AI studios and what we can do. So and who can use and get benefit from this kind of AI. So it can be educators, it can be students, and we can also get benefits. For example, as a developer, so we can fix our bugs or we can generate codes and etc. So at heart, you can see AI Studio offers several core functionalities, and there is a chat feature. As you can see, I hope you already tested and generated some kind of text or image and etc. And recently in Google I/O, so Google launched new Gemini model which can generate native speech from prompts. So you can uh, generate the audios by typing simple prompts, and also you can change and adjust the tones. For example, if you want to generate angry mode or happy mode or exciting mode or news mode, you can do it with native speech generation. And also we have streaming mode, so which introduce some real multimodal magic. So frankly, it's one of the coolest aspect of Google AI Studio. So with talk to Gemini Live function, you can have voice-based conversation directly with Gemini, so which is your personal assistant. But it goes beyond that. You can also share your screen, share your webcam, and etc. This means Gemini can see you and analyze your screen content, opening up and host of exciting use cases. So uh, imagine getting creative feedback on your artwork or thumbnail designs or etc. And also, if you are if you are a developer and learning new programming language, it offers unique way to practice with Gemini. So let's, but instead of just telling you about it, let me show you a quick example of how powerful this can be, especially for learning and debugging code, even you are just starting out. So let's open Colab and we will create a new notebook from here. So I hope our stream hasn't stopped yet. Yeah. So let's write simple code. As always, we have hello world, and now it's connecting to notebook. Who haven't tested and used this Colab, it's a cloud platform where you can run your Python scripts easily, and you can also get GPUs and TPUs for free of charge. So you can change your runtime, and you can select the GPUs and etc. It's free, and you can train your models as well. So here you can see I wrote some simple script, and let's start sharing our screen, which can help us debug, or let's see, allow this time, and we will have this kind of typo or hello world. Hi Gemini, could you please help me to fix this issue? I couldn't resolve this. Yeah, as you can see, Gemini is uh, suggesting us to put T instead of print, just write print, and it will be resolved. So you can see we can get desired output. So just telling and showing our codes as well. And also now I'm sharing my screen with Google AI Studio streaming feature. You can see and we get desired output. I hope you heard the Gemini's voice. So and we can also see here, for example, real examples. The error message says name print is not defined. This means the word print is not a valid command in Python. Did you mean to type print instead? So yes, we have tested so Gemini's stream mode, and also I'm going to ask Gemini, for example, yeah, we can ask whatever we want to learn more achievable results and grow fast and uh, expand our skills. So uh, I have already mentioned about Gemini's uh, native speech generation. So this isn't just about basic voice output. We can control tone, emotion, and even create dialogues with multiple distinct speakers, all from simple text prompts. This is huge leap for content creation and developers and anyone needing high quality customizable voice. For example, you can test you can enter the website. It's free. We are not using any code. This is like no code. So and also we can select the mode, is it single speaker or multi speaker, and also we can run this script. For example, here is two speaker defined, and we can select the speaker voice as well. Let's put as a default. And so here the difference now, it's let's try to more serious. For example, uh, read this kind of text like in news mode. For example, let's put some kind of prompts, welcoming tone, not welcoming tone. Let's read it as a news reader, or it is uh, like yeah, and it will change the tone. So you can just play with some cool prompts. So uh, I think you can hear the clear distinct between the speakers. This is incredibly useful for content creators also. And imagine the application for this: creating dynamic voiceover for your videos, developing unique character voices for games or stories, or even generating more natural sounding audio for accessibility tools and educational content. The possibilities for richer, more engaging content are immense. So we now have more resources than ever before to learn and master new skills today. And so, and also we can generate the image. So I think you have already tested and used this kind of features. So imagine. So here is a predefined prompts, and also I have created and I have ready prompt here. So let's write this and get let me copy my prompt from my text editor, so we will see the result. So uh, Here is my prompt: a modern virtual tech events with diverse developers attending online, futuristic interface elements, AI simulated visuals, and GDG Ahlen is branding in clean, realistic style. So let's run and see the results. We will get, for example, uh, and also let's wait and look at the results. So yeah, it's some kind of futuristic, but we can see, yeah, generated futuristic elements, and hopefully the GDG Ahlen is, yeah, here. Yeah. Of course, AI image generation often gives you a few options, and you can iterate on these prompts to refine the image further. And yeah, today we hear new terms, so like prompt engineering and vibe coding and etc. So you can also build the apps, for example, using Gemini. So let's build, for example, uh, I will write a simple prompt here, and we will try to build news app. So uh, yeah, from where we want to build news app which will uh, parse from Forbes the latest news and classifies what class? Yeah, latest AI news. Let's say AI news only. Yeah, it's simple prompt. Let's test it. It will generate code and executes, and you can also see the result, which can execute the code, your codes. So let's wait. So it's syncing now, and it's generating. As you can see here, is syncing. So uh, during this syncing mode, I want to show you the this new feature also. Here is the syncing mode. So uh, function and yeah, so it started. As you can see, we don't have to wait, or we don't have to hire any, for example, developers for our ideas. We can test our ideas using this kind of Gemini. So as I mentioned before, so prompt engineers and vibe coding is hyped a lot. These are exciting developments and reflect new ways of interacting with AI. Yes, these are good, but and AI can achieve amazing things, but it's crucial to remember this is not a signal to stop learning. So even with the most advanced AI, if you don't understand the basics of what you are trying to achieve, whether it's coding principles, design fundamentals, or clear communication, you will not constantly get your desired output. For example, if there is a bug, for example, you want to, let's say, uh, put this button here, you need to understand some kind of basic knowledge. Without knowing it, you can get desired outputs. So as you can see, here is our website, and it's getting news from Forbes and only AI related topics, such as, yeah, it can be mock data. So what I want to share is just typing your prompts and uh, getting your, for example, MVPs ready. So I almost finished my presentation for today. So if you have any questions, I will be ready to hear to answer. Yeah, thank you.